Boo-hoo. Boo-hoo. I don't care what age you are. Don't talk about magic.
Do you believe in
If you want to sing the song, we'll sing the song. Don't talk about it.
No, me mom.
Welcome in. Yeah, I just let you know that we have.
Welcome everyone to the world famous and newly refurbished Birdcage Thank you for joining us. We do ask that at this time you take a moment to silence your electronic devices. If you need to leave the theater for any reason, please exit the way you came in, and our ushers will be more than happy to assist you. And for the safety of our performers, no flash photography. Are you guys ready for a show? All right, well then sit tight as we turn it over to our master of the 88s, and we head to the dusty streets of Calico, where cowboys turn into gentlemen, saloon girls turn into ladies, and drunks turn into bars. We are proud to present the Great Bank Robbery!